Hello everybody. So today for our assembly I'm at home and I thought I would say hello. It's nice to talk to you all again after we've had a half term, and I thought I'd show you some of the things that I was doing over half term, because when we had half term it was really nice to be able to do some things that maybe I don't get as much time to do, and I was looking at lots of books. And I thought I would show you what I've been doing with my books, because it might be something that you could do too. Have a look and see. So here's my pile of books. Here they are. And on top of my pile of books, you'll see I've got some different things on top here. I've got something that looks like a football. Yeah, I've got something that's magnetic. Oops, and it's got a picture of a holiday that I went on, a different country that I went to called Santorini. And oh, this is a nice one. Bet you know who that is, don't you? It's Winnie the Pooh on a postcard. I'll tell you about those in a sec. But right now, here are some books that I've been looking at. It's a big pile of them, lots of different ones, and you'll see, I've got lots of little bookmarks with some of my writing on, because I was taking notes and thinking about what was on the page that I liked or wanted to go back to. So in this book, this is my book, I've been looking at lots of different things to do with mindset. It's a great book by Carol Dweck. We know about mindset, don't we? But you know about growth mindset and fixed mindset. So I was learning a bit more about that, and I was just putting in some bookmarks so I can go back and think about whatever the author was talking about on that page, and I wouldn't lose the page and I could remember it. And it made me think about remembering things and putting bookmarks into pages that you like, so that you don't forget them, and that so that you can go back to them and remember whatever was on the page. And that reminded me a bit about our lives. And each day you can, if you like, put a bookmark, although it's not a real bookmark, but in your mind you can use a bookmark of the day to remind yourself, what did you like about that day? What happened in that day? What was important? So take a little pause, press pause at the end of the day, on your day, and have a think, what would I put a bookmark in today? What happened today that I would want to go back to and think about? Could be a good thing, really good thing happened. It could be something that was really important that happened and you need to think about it a bit more, and you put a bookmark in that because that was an important thing that happened that you want to have a think about and remember. So have a think about, what would you bookmark today? At the end of the day, when you finish what you're doing and you have a bit of time to just be quiet and still, what would you put a bookmark in today? And what would you write about that section of the day? Sometimes I finish something and it might be something I've been working on just for a little bit of time, or something that I've had a conversation with somebody and I think to myself, oh, that was really good. And it's really good to take a little quiet moment and think about things as they happen and think, that was good, I enjoyed that, that went well. That would be my bookmark. That was a really good conversation. And then later on something else might happen and I think, I didn't enjoy that. Perhaps I'll put a bookmark in that and think about it. Or perhaps that bit isn't important as much today. I don't need to hang on to that one. I don't need to put a bookmark in that. I'm just going to move past it. So talking about, those are kind of imaginative bookmarks. You can make real bookmarks for actual books, not just parts of your day. And maybe you could draw yourself a bookmark. That's why I quite liked this one as a bookmark for a real book with Winnie the Pooh, because you can draw on a piece of paper something that you want to put into your book so that you remember where you are. Or like me, you could make notes on a book if you liked a particular part of a book, Or if you're looking at a non-fiction book, maybe you found a page that's really important that you want to go back to and you want to remember, oh yes, that's where the information is about meteors, or that's where the information is about making fairy cakes, if it's a cookery book perhaps. So have a think about, what do you want to bookmark today? Have a little think. Close your eyes. Should we do it now? Taking a deep breath. Just think, what do I want to bookmark for today? What do I want to remember and keep? And what do I not need to keep hold of? And open your eyes. You don't need to tell anyone. That's just for you, unless you want to. Anyway, it was lovely to talk to you today, and I will see some of you soon, and hopefully, fingers crossed, all of you very soon. And fingers crossed today that Mr. Johnson, our Prime Minister, says that schools can come back at the beginning of March. Let's hope so, and then we can all get back to school. Anyway, lovely to see you, everybody. Bye.